RapidPipeline can automate the fixing of complex CAD assets by flipping inverted faces, merging vertices, and adjusting the surface normals. This step file has inverted faces, which we can see with the face orientation display. Some of the surfaces were negatively scaled in the CAD app to create symmetry. RapidPipeline can automatically fix this. Select the car meshes, then open the RapidPipeline interface. The add-on in Blender has actions for common tasks. Clean up mesh is what we want here. Look over the options and press Run. RapidPipeline works on the selected meshes, using ray tracing to discover parts that are facing the wrong way, flipping those, and merging edge vertices as needed. You can use face orientation in Blender to see the changes. RapidPipeline provides a set of quick and easy tools that makes optimizing 3D assets a breeze. Try it for free or chat with our human team right on the website.